Morning, everyone. Morning. Happy weekend. Why you baby nigga kayo? Why you domo? Happy weekend, people. My hello cheeses. I said let's cruise with Rita Ayemiomo. Let's enjoy the gist together.
Tell her to stop looking for unnecessary trouble because it might get to you. I wanted to talk to you like a human being. I never knew that she was an animal in human form.
Oh,
Are
cool.
you listening to me?
Are you listening to me? What damn you?
Go through your phone. Then you gave me 2 missed calls.
Rita is analyzing the way she speaks to the prophetess. We just carry her body, proof of jump. She just jump, enter what she don't even know. Can you imagine? How can somebody push you? How can somebody push you to that extent? You say you are a prophetess. I don't understand what you people are prophetize. So if I don't know, is it prophetess or you? I don't know what you people are presenting to people, to be honest. Because you call yourself a woman of God, right? What concerns you with social media? Even if you want to come to social media with your whole story, you know. Start preaching to people to repent. No you supporting whoever that is doing live video. People doing live video, you are supporting them. Can you imagine? You are in Nigeria. People making trouble or talking. They are in Europe. What concerns you? Okay. Even the person in question, I've never heard Rita talk to her, to be honest. Because I follow Rita. I've never heard Rita even talk to her, you know this problem. She just carry her body, enter. Even the prophetess. What concern prophetess, or what they call her, with social media stuff. So the headstand, you people went to Nigeria to arrest old woman. Can you imagine? Who does that? Era we jama no vie wo wa we me igwa je na ni wo ya mu je me wo wa ovie no no wa mi o mi no egbe awo wa to bo we ya mu ere. I understand the term. I made the deniro wa all wa mi a. I try to do my highlights. I made the deniro wa ma wo wa mi. I made the deniro wa all wa mi. Men wa ya mo me on the ro wa ba. Omo no wa mi re we bo wa sugbo ai wa ya zugu wogo. Oni no sugbo ai ya zugu wogo ni. Can you imagine? Who does that? Who does that? My hair artist is I don't know, I just try to pull more glue. Can you imagine? Just go home and arrest somebody's mother. For what you people did in Europe. I don't understand to be honest too. And I don't tell you, I video quite on where la Diana and go for ya with me. Me mean what can go kagani adenia. Me man in me hair where all la diamba, all la diamba ya do pay, but ye hell. The my home. The my home, to be honest. My home. Imagine on the do 100 years do one more lads and come only me beg you know me only me beg a video ne Rita ya go no respect go me only me beg the video me me ya the video carry ade to be honest me on there because Rita one way or home when I want to get go ha who this you iwa no mu ihere we mu ni nia iwa no mu here o Oma wa gwa gege wa do iwa kwa egbe me wa do ri ejo oni no mu here ebo ya gwale be ni ya si here yu hu ri egbe wu here we aju hu hie to the extent in Nigeria wa igari ya hare si jo ma be Nigeria how dare you ijo wu gwa ni a era wu gwa ni omo no wu gwa mi re we bo usugbo ha we ya azugu oni no sugbo ya azugu vogo me ma understand wa Wasugbo hai wa ya azugu vogo. No nia. O wasugbo hai ya azugu vogo. Cause no why me or whatever bo. Era vijima no my day here giaje no my de ma Davidson no webo veni ma veni ma hia every matter me ma vijima bo wa enyan. Iya mi no so no webo. Edu kwa viju kwa mi no so no webo a. No wana ya amwe kwa viju kwa. No wa ota yo wa hia ibi the day. Oh. Ebore dede mu gbo ma e gia seni na so vi ata dede ga mu ebogbo umie seni umie ezulo kopana hoy. I'm telling you ave dede because if no lili yan o wegbegbe ave mi na ave dede fie boy ibegene de e ge ni ave rana ase ave mi ya fe na wu na ase ave jima emi wo kan ni afie boy ibegene de iya ga vie nu na hie gbe nu umie seni e me nu we se umie seni you go walk boy ya mo de no wa okay e de no my here my cross echo de here my cross abuja de yan wa ro wa gian wo wa ho ya gwa de wo wa wo don wo wa don omo wa gube we bo wa set e wa to bo wa set e omo gi wa set o we da doge ji wa van of enu wa van of kita no bi opa we wa ka van oni ona I van of gegbe no pa we van of gegbe it's okay. Wa mi gbe train station wa ya kan ri egbe no wa ro e ko fun gwa wa na gbin na ama be gbijo no wa ka gbe na ka ge ni ade na ma fi mi no pa wa ra ko pa gbere e fi mi jo ma gbere ni a no pa la dian odo saga ino pa no pa la dodo saga ino pa e yo wa se no si ko gbalegbe we o ken ya yo gbalegbe ya mu ijo na wo wa o ya mu iro na wo wa no it's not fair we ma voilà o o me na gia gwanji o me no I no na with them no go be zona we him me tag oh we be zona to be honest everybody me go love me yen carry I don't say me na la dia do gwanjo ko be more understand the kidin na zo die make no kede I don't just want to jump into because me I'm still waiting for the proof, you know, for the one in Spain to bring proof that yes retire me must you know, talk to me. This is what she said. I've never heard anything. No, me or dear, me so. They no can we mere. No, I'm not you working mere. No, I'm not you working mere. What they no you working mere? Because emani man bagui. Iya waro bokba. Oma kan we egbe we. We go be ladian. Since social media will not be present. We talk we. Go be lawa. Who de bana? Oh what talk we bo? Go be yakun go digo. Oh. Since what we go we yakun. Go be yakun go no onu yakun. Ulawa we. Vogue do si o kokba le gbe video don to taru that way e me na gba ta social media ave dede ni ga mo bog wa me ebe dede I me say ni o e dede ga yo mu e bog bu e o wo efo ari ave ogu ri agbon e me no se o mi iye ni o mi boni seni uno wa ya mo dede wo gwa no the police station vogue you e dede ma do wa social media or do boy go be social media o ma gie Oma genia. Avec mama gimani manje be webo. No you can live a life webo. In your mind because in your they are not here. They don't even know what is going on in Europe. How can you just be bold and go and arrest elderly people at home because of social media? Social media. Why me on that way ebo ya arrest egbe ba social media. Me hon de ebo ya arrest egbe ba social media. I've never heard though. Edo community na miona. Edo community. Na miona. O wa seri on na wa ya arrest ro ma vision ma wa. Ha. Me tell me no.
Your man's sister, wait, this name is a junior to me. I don't have time to reply to him. Children, I don't have time for children. That is why you see when children talking, I don't have time for them. She said me not be amazed. She went for my business. I'm coming for you.
Can you imagine?
Then, now that we don't know police station, we don't come back. You don't
Police station for social media avatar. The thing they make me laugh. Oh, they make me laugh. To be honest, they make me laugh because I never heard this guy before. Social media, because of social media, come go arrest your man for us. He go do about. Oh, they are entertaining us anyway, but it's getting too much. Wait, Emi ga ibugbe nya we iko abungbe. Wu woman, aro a oibege. E na mani ya. Oh, you don't carry my kanji money rowa. Bame social media no mama. Woni go wari mi e wo na. Wa gbegbe ajawu po gbe wada la wodo. Ni o esigo monda no na ga esigo monda. Oni ma esu wa igo wa ya gbegbe aja wa ma esi ya we mi ropa. Ige social media won hedo ya before flat. Wa ya e bole ni ami unu ga na hia mu gwaji vo. Me agunu wo wa na hia mu gwaji. Wa awu ni. Awu was bedu place ya Abuja edu wa boy eko. Me agunu na amu wa lele bo. Wa 6 feet yopa amu maji. Egbere 6 feet. No wa ya kun ri egbe baraka na ikita no bi opa. No la dian la de on to wu e u la wa. Okon rovi won ni rovi agbon ta. O wa entertain ma no problem. En wa ke won wa ri pa wa ri Nigeria fe. Wo no wa sin Nigeria kun. Wari egede de devo wa wa donsha e monisa kan o se wo se akwa agu self begede de we amiju we de who pretend na me we agui who do pretend ijo wo so no wa hon we I konje ma hon ijo e be fia wa de be so won because I gave the day agui amotu wa pa ye wa ya arrested the devo wa don o on wa mu me sha be me no wa ya pe o ogene matter e obono pe no wa no wa ya pe me understand why yare da gbuwa no sa o sa say why yare da gbuwa no sa no wa je no wa ru digo fi ngue e ba me dede owu afia e owu ya ga hiye edede me de ma ga hiye gbe keka weti amati ebo emi e ran me ya fe no le liyan ho rege ne de ni no ri yan gbe ni ana go ne de o edi on ni ahiye gbe no ma ya ga hiye gbe nu aweti amati ebo keka o mi egbe So let me listen. I've been busy cleaning home, doing 1 or 2 things, and you know. So let me come and listen to social media small. You know, me I take cash my while away my time. You need to while away the time. Nice, so my people. Morning. Happy weekend, everyone. I just had my shower. I've been busy morning. I've cleaned my toilets. Clean kitchen. Yan we myself pukoni yo. Yan pukoni yan roulette social media. Do temere. Eko wa yak pukoni. Eko wa ya dole moji. Noti wa roulette de rudigo baba. Igo no waka wina ya fe e ya rivo makere la lene webo. Nini go ya wa moji. Bu wa ya wa mami wa ya pon me black boy. Abi? E ba wa do arole yige social media. E ba wa do arole yige social media. Taya no kieke era no ko down do wa my hen wa hen e ba wa do abolo to o e ba wa ya dalo to ba wa ya abolo wa why e ko kun ni igo na why e ko kun igo igo na ta e ko kun ana de la 650 wo wa bale gbe kun igo na e wo ya fe ni bale gbe kun igo aba ni ya wo ni avo osumbo modo sumbo e ya wo agaru le kun igo na agarule gbade anule ni mami ni video ya zere ni ye waru le yo edadoge ya so wina wa wina son do wa my tv wa van wa gwale chat ni wa do ya ateta fi the social media wa ya wina son wa ya so part time I'm a part time work. You people should go and work in Europe. There is work if you want to work. You people, all of you now wa ya fefe no gwana ni ya wa ya me be wa ya gwale wina wage gari get government only ma me we the government here has anugwa wa ya gwale wina wa we part time wa ga we part time veni make you na revene dia ne dia me meti epagbe voto egbe ya gogo me na do mi ege ni ado ya teta fia social media ime wa gu wa de gbe kekanfo meti go egbe gogo me ni ya wina. You have to work and what dia wa gbe wa do ashani social media do a bleach do a low organic creamy do a motivate rubbish no motivate ya deceive that doge o gwa deceive man do wa my hen e no ru gwa gbe o gwa do ata e no ru gwa gbe e te no ru gwa gbe wa my tik gbe o gwa do motivate no me ma pege mi opa no ho na iwo hori no re explain ye me ma kari ade me ma ye he odi maladia me ma anything me ma ho iye ke go me bi yan pe ba o wa ke won wa gba wo ya arrest de no ro wa o unwe dodo ni ga to gbu wa akwe na wa pe o wa ke wa do amunazin wa do amunoso ami mo ni sakan o wa sakan
December or the 5th of December. Till now, which is making full 1 month before I started making
What's a cow?
replying to them.
What's a cow? Anything here?
Because she's too small. I'm replying to prophetess.
Okay.
Because it's prophetess that I have problem with. Prophetess, you are the one who went to my parents' house. It's you that I have problem.
You wouldn't work o wawe e warrior e Kaduna wuji una wa pono wa bode dade de ari wa una be vik bia le gbeni aya ho wa ni a criminal case oji we kin se foji awa oji emi na di mi ya gboji lenu we wa re ni e kwa gbo dinidin o wa wu ke o wu fu akekan because ojure intruder o me na ti intruder wa me na ti oji woman na te kidnapping on your kidnapping who was the kidnapping di ha ve dede ni who wa te do kidnapping di ha ve dede no ro wa no man emi ma over social media iya me do ware Facebook iya ma na te Facebook even if over here iya e go vi yan go Facebook iya ma wa hand the details we no wa na the we bo hand the details we see ya in gbe o ki vi de wo kwa ni ya mi gbe sameji ogugwa je be yo wa ya de someone ro wa Nigeria Nigeria even Nigeria ijonwa egote omo wa gbo egbagude Nigeria o kan ye police arrest on wa egbagu ijonwa ni ah o don o imam nu ya pe
So you want to get up and start looking for trouble that did not look for you.
can you imagine omagu we gon omari wo ka omari wo oga de omari wo mi ro pa go on social media, go on social media. Where can't you come out and hold your life video and speak to her? Cause her, do anything you want to do. Tiebone, when anything no work for ya muje. Abi woman no where platform. When any prophetess, where platform. Where platform. Oh okay. Oh one even me hono himena. Oh be tiebone. Everybody not tell you where do we tie ni when you ravije because a better ravije what in social media. Oh be tie ne with it be. Even on one hand. Even on one hand. And what ba why are you having some? Why arrested Ravijama? Why are bad by? Even up baga we Ravijava who Obuwaji. Yes, Obuwaji. Even up baga we ya. Yeah, I will want. I will want. Ana mi na so na gbe gegene. I got me again. E don wa mi agba gbagbe na wodo wa go uke wa fie kere wa ja oru me marine e banta no ba de kan wa yi am o ma be kan we yi e mata ni ma be kan hu wa we wa kan wa la di wa we vai we u vai we be no wa je wa ta lo be no wa je we ko la wa we simple u wa la wa we. Oh, wow. Excuse me, guys. I'm coming to open the door. 1 minute. You know. Oh wala wawe, sorry guys. Oh wala wawe, o la wawe dia, o wala dia, wa ila dia o vai we wa, be ni mini ya fe wa, jo kwa tale ya. We kwa tale ya no e ko ewe bo. You know. O ewe bo. En wo wa the police we ya arrest e de no ro wa, ave de ni we manage. Wow, ave ji money ma se ayo wa. E be no ya sin ya e be ge ni e ri ya yeje. Iya hioma we did you me ye ne me so almost 100 years who why arrested why amu me ko the police station we wa muari wa sef muari go me koke ave gba wan bai go me koke iji maya no iji maya no
Yes, I don't see how we can block am. You see, I get power without they prove anything from now. We never pass for social media.
any takpa they know who ye why did you see She's a movie train. Okpa ne. Okpa suwa ne. Even wa gbofo say no one night you meet up so ero. What is say yeke? What is say yeke? The best thing I cook beni ni viedo wa me was one former cook baby wire unite. Was one former cook baby go here unite. It's more important.
The only thing that will make your life and your name to leave social media for
Why team went bottom? Nothing. Nothing. Why team went bottom? So the best thing, join the movie train. You know.
is what will change you.
And what we and what now. So when the man moon well, me understand. Oh, well, we are winning it. Make a more away. Or what? I don't understand. Oh, why you're ballet by a museum of one? It do have here. You can't have here by and oh, what ballet but tabo and we are measure can never we men and now. We may allow but some may gun. Everywhere police station. Image gun. I'm a bear police station. I'm a beg on a way. I'm a beg on Negwe or Managbo. I be police station. Especially Nigeria. Why are you police in Nigeria, mama? Police webo. No, Nanamo, I don't know. Yes, no. About why police in Nigeria. I make better beva. The talk better bevadi, a boari agare. Amati kuya ya fefeni rige Nigeria. Baba kita vegeni ojega. Ojoa. Ya fe agare gan. I'm Nigeria. Why can't one only way? Ego walk one. Ego way. Your money speak for you in Nigeria. Your money speak for you.
Because you want to get money for Facebook. Once you don't fight the whole world for no reason.
Your money speak for you in Nigeria.
One lover,
Yeah. Your money speak for you in Nigeria.
the only people
I thought I opened this door. 1 minute.
enemies, then they go there go to share am. You know what that person? The enemies of other people wey dey pursue people. Then they go there go to share am. You know what that thing? Because she's just a person that is
Don't go. No.
So I believe
Don't
the
come,
empty
don't
that
come,
is
let me
flowing
go.
in your veins as sisters. Because she said as sister woman be. The emptiness wey dey flow for her vein, na it also dey.
Oh, sorry everyone. Sorry. Someone was knocking on my door. You know. Bless everyone. Bless everybody. I'm really anxious to know what Rita did that result to the police, you know, that is sent to go arrest the mom and the dad or something. I don't understand. Because how can you have argument with somebody in Europe? Then you go back home and be arresting their parents? Who does that? I don't understand. Because I'm still thinking, since I've been looking for videos, you know, to see. I check Aproko, I check all of them. I can't see any video, you know, that is out that Rita did to talk to them. There's no video to show. Okay, what did you tell police? No video to show. You tell police that the daughter is insulting you on social media. Social media, okay? Yeah, I beg go. Mona cost me, no bother. Social media, if somebody calls you, everybody is you're on Facebook. Me, I'm on Facebook. If you use your Facebook, cost me. I go use mine or cost you. Abi? Probably not finish.
For police station.
Probably not finish now. You hold your live video now. Hey, you the craze? You the mad? Yes, I will come out tomorrow and say, lucky you the craze, you the mad. Shikena. As of for I'm a good job. I'm a good station. Every one arrive Joseph. Every one arrive. Who walk ya arrest John wa. Every year try to meet one. What a dark no sa. Mommy would only believe you way or salo bo waga. Or salo bo waga. I mean, my decojo say yourself. No mommy do saro. Yakwe masowa. Can you believe now we prophetess we him almost salo boa. Almost all about you just your when no quiet church, you arrest myself. Hey, Pastor Hamo, why did you do that? You know, why did you do that? Leave everything for God. Let God judge. You know, I'm not wait to bugwe. Oh, what one like ke. What is this? I do what are you gonna baligbe? I want to arrest also woman. I want to arrest. Oh, why ba make bezo? Ha, who done? Why ba make bezo? I want to have to arrest. Why ba make bezo ye? Ah. Yeah, you know, the police station. Okay. Ve de na uwe. Ve de na uwe. Wa na egbe. Wa kenta. Ero. What even name? Ero. Umi beta because they didn't hear we bo and if one they didn't hear social media. On your no here me vu we ora ni me ma ori me ho wona. Me ma understand. Do I understand the kid me go ye wona. O huru wa ya mu ni e de ni jimani. Even if you imagine ania, o ma na te Facebook. 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 Facebook je me garate. O Facebook vive. We je WhatsApp, we be WhatsApp, we WhatsApp boy. O tie mo vi me o tie me itie we. Aviji ma he. Aviji mama. Oh God. Essa tá me dizendo isso, que querendo não. A foto do que na him no all have him no Facebook or email or camera. Me akweti me camera gbe so self. Oh my phone. They were mo ya o se eh fear your fear because wa ga fear your fear e network wa o ma gbegbe mo oh wa for sha. Jesus. Oh where je gbe wa you know. We work over rogu we van wo wa we va ho na me wete un bi feel we va o ma se gba wa do na wo wa ya mi ya no ho e di do we ga bi ho e bi mo pokpo wa e di ho we ga bi ho e bi mo pokpo wa ave de we wa gini open ya hin they are all united we the man wa we unite a group man that don't a group you know everybody have a sort of age that don't age okay have a guess or we ni or agwe go pa no pa la social media why are you talking to that girl why are you doing this why are you doing that because a age group okpa here do see me so gene a age group here so e that we dey in Nigeria abi did wa ya mo ko ni the next aso here wa call je wa call bi me wa bi o we ovi me no rewe bobodo abi ji magita lo for we no wa ro ko be police station wa ri epo o ma ovi me wa sete na ri wa baba o wa de ni wode adaje o mo gbogbo here no do ye police mu me na iga kan enwe iga egwegun ayeye wa wo bi me gui ma we wo gbagbe o ga inu here okay igwe abi de talo ma vi je bebe gani maga konfone efo o be mi ono de o ime na wa gbe me sin o wi yen je ki me o so wa talo ma e dia vi je ma je italo ni yan wa je cause iyan mi yan vi ni yan u ba e bi ba e wa iyan iwa o ta yi ba e ni italo ni wa no iyan ga talo ma zen talo ma so iyan ma mi no re e ko ma ni ahian ta ma ni they don't even know what is their mind they talk. So when where you gbalegbe mu eni idun ya fe from number 1 to end o ya pe e ya ho ne kege ni ya de ya aviji mani moto kam ya we o imi no da we bo ima oni ani agbagbo e Facebook wodo e Facebook yante e Facebook ima oni ani agbagbo e Facebook yi e be we bo wodo ni oyan wado yo gbalegbe mu me mo da fo me bo wa eni we yan di you we yan there we gun yare we bo ha we oyin gun yare we bo wa kin tai eni ni awe ya talo mani eni bi amu bogbo wa eni bi amu bogbo wa yan eni bi amu ohun yan eni bi amu edie do we gbo wa yes eni bi amu bogbo wa because okpa yan a group okpa yan have de yan understand it bian or we seki self ikweke so wa we I joke ije ko wa do teve na okwa be so talo myself ekirun ko de na time oh na time ekino di kan de e de ana mo bogbo ye ga henwe de ye ga are ne social media kan ate ye ga are social media do wa wu ye ga gi ovi ye o ma gie aviji mama gima e ya gima we bo wo ya mie bo komure do kisan no do kewarie no iya ma so fo do wa mu igori aviji ma hin oni ni ya hin owo wa be evan gbagbo o wa be re da ye na e go ka ba agbiara e go ka be o ke ge ni wona gele fin o e ba jere e ge ni wa gele ala we bodo gbigbi agia e ge no yeru wa rere mana ni wa re na ma what different the border mana ni wa re na guys gbugwa unu man wa ti arrest we wa ero unu amu wa mu je bebe na o ya mu na me o ya mu ti gbugwa amu ya on ma weni melada wo gi menare efi mi pa le megbere egwe ni eje kewo kini ajo wa ho egwe ni eje nguna ni ajo wa ho egwe ni ejo efi mi ro pa hin because iji mi we ya mu wo wa mewe do memebe imebe we bu omo we ya mu ni mebe wa hin we wa we egbe ni social media ke o be register he veni me jena ni anybody we ya report me ma pa le gbe mo ku we gegie dogbalegbo no system no ma ene mo hia ku we egege ya report Ni abu yadi. Eme not time be social media. Wogiro, oh, what better no la bedoge, on a new quavo, and yogi. Only can wear. Where what will I tell who will talk here, who will tanya egbe? Where will tell oge, ulawa? And why ya ba, where came a book ba, ya had a savage mamage mawa, I take Connie ye, a wa. Nobody no here take Connie, nobody no have a home, no way de bawa, when you go gelema, at all. It's such a money, Meravije, or monoma love Meravije. Iyawe ijogie imijogie ni yakbije mewa ru dije me poor. Yes, most of us we come from a very poor home. Ohoni erima vije ma poor ima you love yan iyan kokima e papopa ma na won e ma na ari ira vegeni abi wa magijere ije me ga izere ai ozeni mi ozeni no ma ya fe ado to ta abi ere wa ya wan ado kokohe e papopa ni ma na kokori ira ri on you the bond on you the blood no sick, you know, no sick makugbe the bond no sick makugbe ni awa gbe na negbe ono se ana mewe egeni ma ya ala obo vegeni ogun yan do mo wi yin yan do mo wi ri yin mi gbe vegeni na oyiro but ma ikwa to pogbe vegeni because e sagini or sick makugbe or you man love egbe if you man are obo vegeni am mi gori owo vije me ya bo wa mi ya wona me because e bond ni re wa e mu we yan owo yan ma mu we lai we bo ni yan me peace only we yan we avede mo vije ma yan unity makugbe ni a unite there's a unity ni avedi ma vijima oh we kugbe ni ma love egbe so edi ma we love you avedi ma vijima anybody no pa je we bori una wa ya arrest edi ma vijima wa udi ukin ba una hin o zemo yiwe yes because avedi ma vijima wa e ma gi mani maji e ma gi wa hu ohon wa wo social media ohon wa ju wa tene social media e ma gi wa woman no way me boy are no je go and deal with her if you want to deal with her, you know her name. Yes, we me picture ge mo are police station or gwale gogo kenoje. Yes, ya di port service city eni enu ya moira bije bowa e go no we ya moira bije bowa we wa the ticket we maybe o coin e o go to no ba o wa report we wa report here magbale gbe webo o ko de ma sese we ko report here magbale gbe webo yan wa gbe na social media problem. Ni akemi social media problem na ogbelegbe webo iya bo we no hia iya say you we iya say you because it tell you ya tell ori awon go we go we ti le gwegun wo no we veni me wa je no wa do go megun igwa ko iye ti la da do gwegun veni me mo na de gbunu wa amaye lo de sunu me waiting na ba go me god ma do reply go me gun di ma do reply omo go wegun oni a heavy doji tiger, a lion, and kings, and queens. I imagine. I want to go. Yes. Atalakpa bioje ebiewe. Atalakpa ebiewe. Yes. If you do, I want him ma. Jomane tolerate nonsense. I want to go wala dia. Don't you do we ula don do go. Ula don do. Oga rovira vije. Eso. Do we akoko ese igwe ti rovira vijo wa agbenyanyin we wa agbenyanwa ni ogiri ma viji ma no ro ni he dey take ye awa nobody no handle dey take corny ye wo wa po he arrest ma wo wa ti e bo ni ra vijo do ati ni e gbe ra vije be bo mi ro pa ladan me gbiyan because era vije ma yan we ma avedi ma vijima wa iya mi pa ama odi akedo agwo ime we video we na ya ge e set go to bo we send go we gian o ti me ni eto ni me da wa yero wari o wi imati ge vi anti ge we WhatsApp igwe go meti we WhatsApp ni be to ni de o wi ma mi go ya de generator ma mi go ya de for ye generator iri yen ti re fun ni igbe wa cause iya ge ma no edi agbevere he ya ozo ni ya kokemoko kame no abege de da watch go social media when me can serve do now what for now why now what push you to do that, to go and arrest our mother back home or our father back home? What will push you to that extent? Social media money only go ya pay no one na me ma he you gonna wasie me na you gonna get yan negbe ne get yan wa wo na me million wo wa ya we mother a million awugwa mu bego wona de webo no wona mu ya fefe di ya makere na wo wa ya wa ma ti kon mi to vege ni wa bele ni estate ni wa no wa bolo e ge social media na nia o wa do ya so wa bolo e ge ya ro wi e kele no e ge na ya ri o wi o wa je na all right e ge na wa ya ri na o wa ye wi o wa ye wi yes wa gbina amagonu wa ya kan ri egbugwa wa ti ya kan ri egbugwa but already ma meji man oro wa ko ri oni because wa sun enene o we te wonu we enu ya molese enu ya disgrace of social media o boy na do ko hu no o se no do not time we no karuleje police station on win you see edi me begeni is form of doing that edi me bo wa agui ulule no edi me iye mo na wa hagi baba na the next thing o wa ko eri me fi boy ye ke o jon we ya we love gbe o wa ko fi ye wa ki o wa ta lo fo ni o ko bi kana era me teacher na me ga teacher we ga o ko bi na ya da ye gbu we fo ni o ye le lu we me fo ni o ko fi boy ye ke na me fi boy ye ke na ko kan we ke do ri a police station straight ori yo hu me o yon ka son ezo yon ka ru le police station ye wo ya fe chame do bo yen gbe na no ka ru le police yo rave ya ko me je ke yon ka ye mo ma wa agui eso na no ma se ro ba na ti wa seto emi ya PC wa ro eri mo ka ye police station o ru le yan o gbo we lowo ni ko o vi se lui iri gbebele o vi je ve vi se lu wa ya domo o era me ko de boy yeke era me boy yeke no era me wa era me boy yeke ve ke do ko kan we go kan wori na police station we wa ga me wa boy yeke wa de ni police yari yeke e ga ni do ade that this man na in dey fight me since you le me gbe na si wa mu eri me no we na mo ma aga mo ni si police station e ga ni if you gboni if o gboni wa gelere ni ve ga ni of you gboni ye do mu hui na o aga iseva eri me no do mo ma hui aga do mu hui ije be geje be o be suwe de wo mo do ka ya ri police re wa me do hui ye go do ko li mo la ya be le ri me re na e o salo po me na ka ya police station ya right all do see if you soro eze soro no give settle understand even if you do even go you have a settle if you know wa vegeri o wa na ge na I me no go wa go for the social media e gara go ko that do get wo ga me make you go me na ya wa ma do go me go ni die if no be ko e hia o you ga like we gbe na dey venu tama me so e dey social media je no wa na e popular o shikina but why ya kan we ro wa vision ma no re Nigeria wa so ge ro ma vision ma ni wa ivo wa ya kon ri egbuwa wa ya kon ri egbuwa wa ya sitting no wa je kwa so wa report egbuwa ke do wa ye police mu egbuwa why police mu egbuwa ke webo o ma se wa na ya ye police bori ma bo wa mu ji ma bo wa we are you if you there ho ya ye ma kpuru no sigbo we ye ma give yan hu ye ma give wo hu ye wa ya ye police mu ya why is them unu ayati mu unu ya ti mu guys mu disgrace ni we so agbo da take here we so agbe ni here u ga wonu de gbe iwe emi ka so nu da de na we de ma wa kan wa pe mo to gbin awugwe no de ma wa kan wa do agwe awugwe no de ma we de so lo mi da sunu ojiri wa pa so lo na me ko ojiri gbe emi sunu awugwa no ono say ayo boye ego me na tagwe ayo boye no fe o se na ona ho wa ba ma ga ho does one man de emi no kunu we la dia emi ga sunu damani adogu we no eri ogenia emi ga sunu damani o ma na gbagui awuwo we because wa ma no gbagui ye won we mo gbagui you see wa ma ni o gbagui wa ga suspect ge o ge ya sasin ya gbo wa ni o gwe o ge wa no driver no wa jam de David wa ni wo wa ge o ma hia I mean mani we do we there's a mentality man in Nigeria or different when mani we do kan ya o kan mi eboye o kan mi video e ma we o kan mi video ni but man am do ya man do change awa mani wa no ye wo gba wa gui ye wo si wu no wa ko ye gbe ado ana mani hia oni mama go alona a peace no wa jo saji again wa yale logo ogo bonu wa leni wa fi egwediye abi erania onu wa ni ozuwa cause emani on sa eyo gbalegbe mu egbe Ununa ya gon, ununa, ya gon. Waga gele hon satu, waka go, jun go egbe kwan keka. Why go too far? Why do tie be mo? Why do tie be ra? Why do tie be gbugwa? Why do tie bodo? Why do tie be wo homa? It's getting too much now. Waga do sapa specific why nyanga oh come. Me na be you know that's we na get kita cause ya kapo ago ya bebe you know. Come on walk about bebe wo kan me. We na get kita no biokpa. We na get kita no my day is 1 week. What no pa igual I make an ya okay. I make a ya okay.